How does the UN monitor compliance with human rights treaties? Breaking news on a topic that is more relevant than ever. Many are asking, how does the United Nations monitor compliance with human rights treaties? With ongoing global tensions and human rights concerns, it is essential to understand this process. The United Nations plays a vital role in ensuring that countries uphold their commitments to human rights treaties. It utilizes several mechanisms to monitor compliance effectively. One of the key bodies is the Human Rights Council. This council conducts universal periodic reviews. Each member state's human rights record is reviewed every 4 years. This process allows for a comprehensive assessment of how states are performing in terms of human rights. The Council also addresses specific human rights situations through resolutions and special sessions, responding to urgent issues as they arise. Another important mechanism is the special procedures. These are independent experts appointed by the Human Rights Council. They investigate specific countries or thematic issues. Their detailed reports and recommendations are shared with the Council, providing crucial information on human rights conditions around the world. Treaty monitoring bodies are also essential in this process. These bodies monitor the implementation of specific human rights treaties. For example, the Committee Against Torture oversees compliance with the Convention Against Torture and other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. They review reports from states and conduct inquiries, offering recommendations to improve compliance. In recent developments, the use of artificial intelligence is being explored to enhance monitoring efforts. Artificial intelligence can help track progress toward global human rights goals. It can also identify patterns and trends in human rights violations more efficiently than traditional methods. While monitoring human rights treaties, the United Nations also considers international humanitarian law. This includes the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict. These laws are crucial during times of war, ensuring the protection of civilians. The United Nations and other international bodies work to ensure that states adhere to these laws to prevent violations. The protection of civilians is another priority for the United Nations. The organization monitors situations where civilians are at risk during armed conflicts. It advocates for states to respect their obligations under international humanitarian law. This multifaceted approach helps to hold states accountable and promotes a safer world for all. Understanding how the United Nations monitors compliance with human rights treaties is essential in today's climate. It highlights the ongoing efforts to protect human rights globally and the mechanisms in place to ensure accountability.